Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming call. So I'm provide solution. So go to my control center, check out mute option. At first unmute, okay, and open settings. Scroll down, click on sound and haptics, and make sure to sound, not mute, sound increase. Make sure to turn on and select the ringtone. Make sure to select loud ringtone, okay, and go to control center, check out your focus option, okay, disable all focus and turn on airplane mode, turn off airplane mode. Then let's try. I hope fix this problem.